question 2.
Underfunction.
If our creations do not have an equal value on results, beauty, and use of resources of time, matter, and energy, is it then unloving and therefore God's laws will all be working to destroy it?
Yes. Can you see that God's laws are working to destroy a lot of what we do? And this is why, we are so focused on maintenance. It's like a major nightmare we've created for ourselves. We're maintaining this, maintaining that, maintaining this, maintaining that, maintaining home, maintaining body, maintaining even body, because we're maintaining our body because we've actually destroyed its normal instinctual function through the suppression of emotion. So now we're having to maintain the thing. If we didn't do that, we wouldn't even have to maintain our body. We've created so much need for maintenance that now it's normal for us to consider maintenance as an issue. But the problem with maintenance is that it stops further creation. The more you have to maintain in your life, the more you are stifled from creation. So you can't create new things. Right? So this should tell us, you see, God understands the joy of creation. And this should tell us actually that God's basically saying to us, look, you're going to really enjoy your life when you create new things. The time when you're not going to enjoy life is when you have to maintain the old things you've created. You follow? So this is an act of self-love actually, right? He's basically saying that your life's going to be better, you're going to enjoy your life more if you create new things that are self-maintaining, because then you don't have to go back and maintain them. So therefore, you can create another thing and another thing and another thing, and there's no limit to your creations. But if you only create things that you need to maintain, very rapidly you'll hit the limit. Because time, which is one of your resources, is going to determine your limit. And you can have an infinite amount of money, but at the end of the day, if you create creations that are out of harmony with the basic principles, you are going to be limited and you won't be able to create any more. Every person on this earth is experiencing the limitation of creating out of harmony with God's function principles and God's economy principles. Yeah. Interesting, hey?